Hey guys, Matt here with Auto Solutions. Behind me I got a 2020 Corvette from a repeat customer of ours. He bought it with a previous wrap. It came in to just have the hood and the hatch replaced. Unfortunately, the wrap was discolored already and didn't match the panels we replaced. So we went ahead, we're working with the customer. We're gonna replace the entire thing for him. So we already got it disassembled. Most of it's already been stripped. We're gonna go ahead and get jumping on it, get it done in a few days for him, and hopefully he's happy.
Look, I'm a trip, so I'll pay for the bag. Trips in the city, they coop me and taking cab. I don't care, she act on gang, guarantee that she gonna make it clap. Yo, I put a beat in bands on her, not paper, got my pagans mad. Racked it, mashing, I would've been trapped in a band, or been breaking bad. Look, I ain't made it till I got VVs tucked to my Richard Mill. My first deal was 100, so it's minimum 6 what I need for a deal. Jen Shackle, JB in the sleep, I can't die young, but the pagans will. Bitch want love, but it's MOE, I just tell her I'm taking still.
Alright guys, Matt here with Auto Solutions. Just finished wrapping up this 2020 Corvette. We're getting ready to give it a full wash. We're gonna ceramic coat it and then give it back to the customer first thing tomorrow morning.
I'm a trip, so I'll pay for the bag. Trips in the city, they coop me and taking cab. I don't care, she act on gang, guarantee that she gonna make it clap. Yo, I put a beat in bands on her, not paper, got my pagans mad. Racked it, mashing, I would've been trapped in a band, or been breaking bad. Look, I ain't made it till I got VVs tucked to my Richard Mill. My first deal was 100, so it's minimum 6 what I need for a deal. Jen Shackle, JB in the sleep, I can't die young, but the pagans will. Bitch want love, but it's MOE, I just tell her I'm taking still.